to all. Welcome to Fusion Style Kitchen with MC. I'm going to share with you some of the recipes I learned from my mom and also some of the recipes I learned throughout these years. Also, I would like to show you some of the tips and tricks of these recipes. Thank you for so much for tuning in, and also thank you so much for the subscription. Thank you. I'm going to show you how to make a silky, creamy, smooth butter chicken the way I make. Even though it says butter chicken, few of the ingredients in this recipe gives special taste to this butter chicken. Please stay tuned until the end of this video. You need the ingredients to marinate the chicken, and also you need the ingredients for the sauce. I'm using 1 pound of chicken breast. Make it to slices. To marinate the chicken, you need 2 teaspoons of grated garlic or garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger or ginger paste, 1.5 teaspoons of tandoori paste, two teaspoons of oil, and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well together. Now you keep the marinated meat for 30 minutes. Heat the pan and grease it with 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Add the chicken pieces and cook for 3 minutes on each side. Please make sure not to overcrowd the pieces in the pan. Once it's done, transfer the pieces to a plate and keep it aside. Rest of the cooking will be done in the sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add 1 large chopped onion. Cook the onions until it becomes translucent. It takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Do not worry about the brown stuff inside the pan. Add 1 tablespoon of grated garlic and 2 teaspoons of grated ginger. Give a stir. Add 1 large diced tomatoes. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now you add chilli powder. I used 2 teaspoons of paprika and 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chilli powder. Add 2 teaspoons of tandoori paste to the mixer. Stir everything well together. Now you add 10 to 12 cashews. Cashews give a thick consistency to the gravy. Add 1 tablespoon of garam masala and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Give a thorough stir. Now it's time to add 1 cup of water. Cover the pan with the lid and cook for 6 to 7 minutes. Gravy is kind of thickened. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now it's the time to turn off the stove. Transfer the cooled gravy to a blender and blend it well. I know it's an extra step, but you won't be disappointed at all because you get a smooth, creamy, thick gravy. Pour the blended sauce back to the pan and stir well and add the chicken back to the gravy. Now we cook for 8 to 10 minutes until the chicken is cooked thoroughly. After 10 minutes, the gravy is thickened and we can taste the gravy now. I added 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 teaspoon lemon juice. Now we can add 1 tablespoon of butter. Add half a cup of heavy cream or half and half. And give a gentle stir. Now you add 1 tablespoon of Kasoori Methi, and it will definitely enhance the flavor of the butter chicken. Kasoori Methi is definitely one of the ingredients you should have in your butter chicken recipe. I hope you enjoy the video. Please try and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon with another good recipe. This dish is paired with naan or rice or both. Please enjoy. See you soon with another great recipe.